Whitewash ang ginawa ng UP sa St. Benilde ng ating first set, leading in practically all departments dito.
That's right, partner. And look at UP, more than doubling the output of attacks ng CSB, 15-7, pati sa blocking. Napakasipag ng UP with 3 blocks and none for CSB, pati aces nakakuha pa ng 2 puntos doon. At ang maganda lang, pareho nilang na-minimize yung errors nila, CSB with 5 and UP with 4. But, well, CSB has to do a lot more. They want to win it against the Fighting Maroons.
But again, kailangan kalimutan ng St. Benilde na wala yung kanilang star player na si Jetro Orian in this game and focus on what needs to be done. And again, Berwin Coming not starting this second set para sa kanila.
Well, Etrone and Arda now with 3 points each. Sa kabila naman, Valbuena with 6. Raimundo leading the way with 8.
At back-to-back points para sa UP. That time service ace naman galing kay Charles Acuna. So 2-0 for the Maroons. Acuna, good serve once again. Relata inangat this time para kay Arda. Another point for UP. Halos parang wala na nagba-block dito sa St. Benilde.
Or kung meron man late.
Oo. So Millete able to get that one. 3-0 UP. Charles Acuna. Better reception that time by Benil. John Vic on the push. That scores.
There you go. Off a combination play. De Guzman scoring that one. Taas rin talaga ng vertical leap ni John Vic De Guzman.
And now 3-1 for UP. Sobrang lakas naman yung serve that time from Isaiah Arda. 4-1 for the Maroons. PLDT Home Altera, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Evan Raimundo. The reception that time by Chua and pinuhay pa rin na UP.
That's right, still playable.
Chua. Relata, combination, Etrone off the block.
Etrone once again really keeping hopes alive here for the College of St. Benilde.
Etrone has to score for himself and for the absent Jetro Orian. Kailangan team effort ito para sa Benilde.
Yun, pwede naman din ganun, di ba? Yung kung ano man yung kawalan, pwedeng maghati-hatian.
Right. Etrone again, into the net this time.
It's too far away from the net was that set for Etrone.
5-2 UP. Ito na si Alfred Valbuena to serve. So Valbuena, isa sa mga veterano na rin para dito sa UP with a service ace.
That's right. So yung UP, yung nakikitaan mo ng team work, di ba?
Matagal na magkakasama.
Yun naman din. Although may mga bagong players din sila.
Lima ang bago nila dyan sa UP and because it's the official ball of the Spikers turf. Although sa 5 yon, isa pa lang ang naglalaro. So UP going to their veterans at this point. That serve is good once again para kay Valbuena.
So hirap na hirap ang Benilde kunin ang first ball. That's why they're not able to set up their plays. At sayang naman.
Right.
Kaya nga kanina ang UP more than doubling the effort. Oo
And yun na nga, diniin ni Coach Melchor Santos itong kanyang libero na si Luna. Will Luna delivered in the first set. Etrone throws it away. 8-2, University of the Philippines ang atang 6 kontra rito sa College of St. Benilde. We send it now to Cristel Bachelor.
Galaw ng players ang gustong ipulido ni Coach Arnold. Kwenta niya kanina. Rebuilding daw kasi ang team ng CSB with a couple of seniors bound to leave by the end of the year, which is why he is giving his rookies as much exposure as they can get. Aware naman si Coach Arnold na magaling ang UP sa blockings at kargado ang kanilang service flow, ika niya. Meanwhile, the Maroons are obviously having fun in the game. Sigaw kasi nila kanina sa huddle, enjoy lang at pag may mali, recover agad. Coach Melchor proud of the team. On the other hand, by saying okay lang magkulit kayo sa court basta focus pa rin. Back to you guys.
And again, very young team. Okay lang mangulit kayo sa court. Pero focus lang din tayo dito.
Yes, that's true.
Valbuena again.
Yan ang kanina nabanggit nga natin, ang nangyari kasi sa UP is that may yung mga steady players nila nagko-contribute. Tapos
Right.
dumadagdag pa yung mga baguhan. So, complete team effort.
Millete with a good serve. And Trone dug up that time by Luna. Habol si Valbuena. Ipamimigay ito ni Luna. On the high free ball. Chua. Oh, nice drop there by the veteran, Relata.
Wala, hindi nakakibo. Hindi nakaimik ang UP on that last play. Relata on the dump.
And Trone will sit. Berwin Coming comes in. So ito na inintay natin. Magsasabay si De Guzman saka si Coming sa lineup. So 9-4 for UP. Let's see if this will work for Arnold Lanyog.
O si Coach Arnold has been trying different mix up inside.
Right.
Siyempre gusto mo hanapin yung kombinasyon na mag-work in this game.
De Guzman off speed. Nice.
De Guzman, you can see him trying to pop up his team. Kailangan talaga, di ba? May mag-step up at may mag-lead ng CSB.
Talagang sabihin ni John Vic De Guzman, national team player ako. Sakyan nyo lang ako. Makahabol tayo. Berwin Coming. Nice serve. Acuna. And Coming keeps it alive. There's Isaiah Arda. Miguel with a good dig. Acuna galing likod. Valbuena!
And over the blockers of CSB. What a smart move.
Hulog na hulog lang ang ginawa niya ron. So Valbuena gives UP another 5-point lead. Serve ngayon para dito kay San Pascual. Back set ngayon, De Guzman, short.
Wanted for to go for a placement shot, pero kinapos.
And now another timeout called by CSP. They need to also communicate with each other on the floor. Hindi pwede si De Guzman lang yung nagsasalita.
Tama. Hindi, tsaka yung teammates din ni Guzman, isa kasi salita ka salita na nakagagets ba nila?
Yan na nga eh.
Di ba? So, kailangan responsive.
Good serve once again para kay San Pascual. Arda, however,
There you
able to
go.
convert.
That's a good response right there. Arda getting that cross-court hit.
Galing sa isang timeout. Now, Francis Basilan is in the game ngayon para dito sa St. Benilde. And the serve ngayon para dito kay Ron Erhordan. Erhordan. Acuna, back set ngayon. And Miguel, walang nakahawak na taga St. Benilde. So that will be a point for the Blazers.
Good read yun, ha? Kasi napaka-close tignan. Pwedeng maisip na dumapnis, but then Benilde letting it go.
So 11-7 UP.
Oh, ang ganda ng serve.
Acuna, back set ngayon. Miguel, ay. Laki ng butas.
And ang ganda nung ginawa ni Miguel because he was just trying to save the ball. Pero yung pinwesto pa rin niya.
Pagsilip niya biglang, bakit ang laki ng butas doon sa gitna? Doon ko nga papuntahin.
Yeah, may campfire.
Yup. O bonfire. Kasi usual.
Hindi sa kabila, sa Benilde.
Gano'n. And that will be long coming from John Vic.
Uy, kayo nga pala host this year ng
Yeah.
UAP. Anong parte mo
Kaya
doon?
bago logo eh.
Anong parte mo doon?
Ay nako. Pag kinalapit tayo, doon tayo tutulong. Relata, Arda. Acuna now, sending it over to Valbuena. Chua, papuntang likod. Dito kay John Vic. Yes!
It's a powerful hit from John Vic from the back row.
And again, it cannot be just John Vic, however.
Tama rin naman niya. It's a
Pag si Coming,
game.
wala pa sa harapan eh.
Oo. Hindi sila kasi yata ba na... Ay, hindi.
Magkakaabot din sila.
Oo, mag-aabot sila.
Relata on the serve. But a full front line now para si St. Benilde. Acuna, Evan Raimundo, turn back there by Basilan. Ay, hindi daw nahawakan ni Basilan. Puntos yan sa St. Benilde.
Wala naman angal doon ng UP, so it's the right call.
And Relata, the veteran, continues to serve. Giving up some height because Deximo is the bigger setter. Pero mas experienced naman ito si Relata. Luna, Acuna, Valbuena, lakas. Uy, check ball.
Oo, check. Yes, it's check ball naman talaga. And Valbuena getting another one. And what is, again, smart move. Ang daming blockers dun sa harap niya. Daming mga kamay.
Right.
Instead of challenging them, yun na lang, pinadaplis. Makikita mo sa
40
tira
tonight.
eh.
Oo.
Oh,
Nice read there, however, by Valbuena and Raimundo.
That is right, partner. Ang ganda na ng kombinasyon ng galing sa Benilde, pero basang-basa na UB.
Wala naman si Raimundo. Wala lulundag doon sa una. Pagdating sa pangalawa, siya pa nakadali. So UP up by 6. Acuna, kargado na naman yung serve. Relata sending it over and that is a miss para kay Isaiah Arda. UP up by 7. Second set. Kami po ay magbabalik. 69 UP set number 2 kontra dito sa St. Benilde. Nahanap na natin Ultra Fun family of the game. Magkapatid at saka may kasamang pinsan ang setup natin dito. Si Christine Dayan Hernandez, si Gray Luna at si Kenneth Cyril Luna. Sila po ang ating Ultra Fun family of the game. Ayan, pakaway-kaway.
Why not? Napakasaya naman talagang manood. And
Yan si John
yan
Vic.
na. So, ganyan naman ang entertainment na makikita mo.
Si
Diba?
John Big at si Coming nasa harapan na.
Yan ay iniintay mo, partner, kanina ba?
Mas marami ng options ngayon.
And it's a full front line.
It is a full front line. Combination play, Valbuena unstoppable today.
That's right. So kahit full front line itong Benilde, Valbuena still managed to score.
Ultra Fast fight po yan. Hatid sa atin na PLDT Home Ultera, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. So 17-10 UP. Evan Raimundo. Oh, kumurbo bigla yung serve niya. Acuna, back set, Millete. Dug up that time by Relata. De Guzman, nilayo. Yoy! Yan ang veteran smarts.
That's correct. It was too close to the net, so ginawa din ni Guzman. Push na lamang.
Right. So John Vic, the 22-year-old, cutting the lead down to 6. Francis Basilan. Acuna. San Pascual.
Ayan na yung team effort na napapansin nga natin sa UP.
Gian San Pascual contributing as well para dito sa Maroons. Actually scored 7 points in their last outing.
So ang hirap because almost everybody's a threat on the side of the Fighting Maroons.
Combination play. Nako.
Ito na.
Berwin Coming.
That's right. Ito
Habang nasa
kailangan.
harapan.
Oo. Kailangan makuha na nila lahat ng puntos na pwedeng makuha kay Coming.
Ultra Fast Fight brought to us by PLDT Home Ultera, the Ultra Fast LT for a happy family.
Pero partner, logo lang naman pinalitan, Fighting Maroons pa rin.
As of now,
Okay.
lusot na naman ang palo dito ni Millete this time. Nagsimula yan noong 1980s, pangalan na UP Parots. The UP Parots. Naabutan pa ni Coach Ronnie Magsano, freshman siya nung Parots pa ang tawag. No second year siya naging Maroons. Yan. Another service ace for Millete.
And even Millete scoring for UP. Ito na ang palitan.
Palitan ng tao dito. So, take our friends from PLDT Home Ultera, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Deximo back in the game.
Yes. And so is Alingasa.
Si Alingasa, of course, is the reigning NCAA Beach Volleyball MVP. Naman. So, ginamit na rin siya rito sa indoor lineup.
Yes. At alam mo pag beach volleyball player ka, daling-daling ka sa indoor.
Berwin Coming able to detonate. Ang problema nga lang, si Coming nalipat na sa likod. So 20-13. Coming to serve. Balbuena. Acuña. Sa kabila, malakas ang tira ni Miguel. Oy, net
Sayang, but a
violation.
net violation called.
That's on Jordan. Palitan na tao sa UP. Babalik ulit si Madrigalejos to serve para kay San Pascual. This was the substitution pattern earlier no first set. At dyan na nakuha na UP yung set. So serve specialist, pangligpit na. Extra libero na rin daw. Nice serve by Madrigalejos. Chua on the reception. Deximo. Inangat. Para
yeah.
naman dito kay Arda.
There you go, Arda. Another cross-court hit.
So that brings up etong si Ron Jordan. So 21-14. Air Jordan. Raimundo. Hindi na naitawid.
Oh, walang pinuntahan yung second ball. It was already too close to the net.
21-15. Menil's not out of this yet.
That's right. Humahabol pa unti-unti. They just have to be patient. And unti-untiin. Pa isa-isang puntos.
Jordan with another good serve. Miguel
There.
turned back by Basilan. And Balbuena full steam ahead. Hindi na maabutan.
Pero partner, yung effort.
Yes.
Makikita mo sa UP. Balbuena trying to go after that second ball.
Palitan para sa UP. Bagong setter ngayon as Acuña will sit down. And into the game is 16-year-old or 17-year-old JM Valdelovar.
Pabataan na naman tayo ng babata.
17 years old.
Yan naman ang gusto mong makuha dito, di ba? Sa Spikers Turf, yung exposure. Pero ito na yung unti-unti na binabanggit natin ng CSB. 17-21 na tayo.
Good rally being shown here now by the Blazers. Ron Jordan down by only 4. Here's Luna. Balbuena galing sa likod. Jordan. And Raimundo puts it away.
Raimundo really stayed on that one. Hindi, alam mo yun, hindi niya pinabayaan kahit ang lapit-lapit na sa net. And, you got the point.
Hinulog niya sa ulo ni Deximo. Just to be sure, para ilag-ilag na lang si Deximo. Miguel. Chua. They go to Arda, yes.
And Arda going midway down the line.
Palitan ng tao dito. Relata will return along with John Vic de Guzman.
Gusto ni Coach, panay
Full
Coach
front line.
Arnold, full front line palagi. Tama nga naman, para rin sa depensa, partner.
Right. Relata to serve once again. Nahanap niya. Saan ba yung Luna? Tatago Iiwasan natin. Iiwasan nga niya.
oo.
Balbuena, grabe hang time. Pero grabe rin ang depensa that time ni Basilan.
And CSV just reading that one so well.
First time out in the match called by Melchor Santos of UP.
Sa kalaban mo na natatakot yung isip ball Isang maganda rin sila. Ayun na, nagtutuloy-tuloy na naman yung walang isip. Hindi pa pwedeng ganyan. Nakikinig. Natin natin sayangin yung pinaghirapan yung dapat-dapat na lang. Talagaan nyo, Huwag ka magmadali sa blocking. Tignan mo yung bablock ako sa bigaling. Kung lumalabas, ang dala ng bola mo. Score,
Pansin mo rin, unti-unti nawawala yung ngiti ng mga taga-UP dito. The St. Benilde rally is now on.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And nagiging patient itong CSB.
Great block by Basilan that time.
Right. So nakukuha nila yung puntos sa service, sa palo, sa block.
Lamang na sila sa blocks dito.
Unti-unti.
Here's Relata. Good setup there for Raimundo. Coming from Valdelovar. UP scrambling right now. Third
They
ball.
give a free ball now to CSB.
Arda off the block. Binuhay pa rin. Valdelovar going over to Valbuena. Basilan. Turned back there by Raimundo. Arda adjusting. Miguel, Valdelovar, and Evan Raimundo puts it away.
And once again, Raimundo getting that point of a push. Diba si Raimundo kanina pa niyang ginagawa yan.
This time sinubo na niya sa defender. Timeout Benil.
Oo, isa pa tayo. Tatlo na may spider eh. Ilang chance mo lang, di mo nabigyan. Diba? Iwan ka na dyan. Papayuwanin ko talaga. Paglarin niyo ako. Go, go, go. Hindi sa pinuto, nasa harap. May isa mo na ito sa harap. Alam mo na kung kayo
Nawala naman yung receive nila ngayon. Ayan, power tip na yan talaga. Nicely done there by Evan Raimundo. Sinubo na niya.
Oh, sinut.
Oo.
Alam mo si Raimundo ngayon, yung para bang kuryente, yung conservation of energy.
Oo.
Eh.
Pero very efficient.
Yes, correct.
So
Yun
para
nga.
siyang
But with
LED
the
na
same-
bumbilya.
But with the same result.
Right. Para siyang LED na bumbilya. Ganon.
Oo, pwede.
John Vic. Kanyang tira, wala daw nakahawak. So it goes on the antenna. Now UP with 5 set points. And now serving. Valdelovar. JM. Relata. Basilan habangan that time ni Evan Raimundo and it's over.
And it was a single solid block
Yes.
from Raimundo.
25-19. UP nakuha ulit yung second set. They now have a 2-0 lead against the NCAA finalist, College of St. Benilde. We will have our third set when we return. Stay with us dito po sa ating Spiker Serve.